They are one of the most incredible stability, decompression, form correction products that I have ever had myself on or my clients on.
I have no balance, okay? If it's harder than just standing still, I might be in trouble.
Some of the benefits of using Waff are, well, first of all, the core connection is out of control. You just sit on a Waff and your core turns on, or unless you're relaxing, then your whole body turns off. But it's incredible. Also, when you're standing on them, your entire nervous system turns on in a way that no other product I've ever worked with does that.
Nope. No, I cannot.
I just started using them. I'm actually a soccer player, so I'm incorporating this into all my practices and trainings, and it's really working on the core, especially, which is so vital for being a soccer player.
It's an excellent workout, and it feels like a kind of thing like, I mean, it's my first time and I think I did okay, right? But I mean, if you can tell from everyone else around me, like people who actually work out more than, once a month, I think like wherever you're at, it's like challenging because you're using your own balance.
You did great. You did great. Don't let him tell you.